Hi, I'm Dr. Bob Martins, and today what we're going to be doing is building a gate for a fence. And we're going to be building it from scratch. And the reason for this is that while you could use fence material to build a gate, it's usually not quite as strong. They don't use as many nails, and they don't make it fence pieces are okay for making fences, but gates have to be pushed open, so they have to undergo a lot of stress. So they have to be a little bit more structurally, they have to be stronger. So we're going to make it from scratch. And when I say from scratch, I don't mean we're going to go cut down the trees and make the lumber, but I'm going to go to the local lumber store, and we're going to pick up stick pickets, get some 2x4s, get some galvanized nails, and then we're going to put it together. Get a saw, we're going to cut the little pieces exactly right, we're going to work up a design for it, and then we're going to build it and hang it. Okay? So, let's get started. Now, to begin, I've already built one gate, and as you can see, this is one side of the gate. It's going to be a double wide gate. And there's just enough room here that I can drive a car through here. It's not secured to the ground yet, so I'm having to hold it in place with cinder blocks. But you can see the construction to begin with. And of course, I had to bury the hinges behind this. I think what I'll do is maybe paint something over here just to cover a little bit of black paint. See, I used nails on every board. Here's how it's constructed. And from there, I used a few 2x4s. Each one of these takes, I think this takes a whole 2x4 because it's more than 48 inches, and that cuts the board in half. You lose the other half. And then I have a supporting brace, and I've gone from the bottom of the corner that turns up to the top, and what that does is it pushes and holds up the gate over time, keeps it from sagging. So there's the structure, the basic structure of the gate. Alright, so let's go look at the materials. Okay, we're out of my shed. I don't know if it's easy to see, but these are the materials. What I have, these are 5/8 inch boards. They're very, very heavy, relatively speaking. I believe they're pressure treated pine, 6 inches wide, and I think the actual measurement is 6 inches, and I think they're 6 feet tall. So this is what's legal here in most counties in Florida for a privacy fence. It can't be taller than 6 feet. Okay. Of course, keeping them back in my shed to keep them out of the rain. And here are the leftover pieces that I have from putting the fence in. I still need to use 2 more of these to finish up the back section of my fence over here. Waiting for my neighbor to fix his fence because it's kind of sagged into my yard, so I can't put the last post in to make the last piece. But the board on board provides a lot of privacy, more than the regular side-by-side picket fence. You see they're overlapped. But these boards right here are 2x3s, they're not 2x4s, so they're not strong enough to support a gate. Now the rest of the materials, still going, just a couple of 2x4s, can take all the 2x4s, I think minimum what I need, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I got 6 here, but I think 2 of these are older and not in very good condition, and one more 4x4 fence piece that goes over there. So, the job is almost done. Just gotta hope this guy gets his fence out of my way pretty soon. I can't put a fence post here until, as you can see, his fence has gone right onto my property. So, and they said, well, why don't you just move around this? I said, you see this nice straight line here? Well, sort of a nice straight line. They think I'm going to put a piece of crap in on the end. These guys are nuts. They want me to build around it. Put crap in after I've done a really nice, beautiful job. The problem with the other stuff, here's my neighbor. I put this stuff in, but my neighbor purchased the materials. And he didn't exactly buy the best, but you can see it really doesn't offer the privacy. You can see right through there. And this stuff is only about a year old. That's already got up to 3/16 crack in it. Here's a 1/4 inch over here. So you can see right through this stuff. That stuff I put up, actually this is probably 2 years old. This is a year old. This I put up a year and a half old. It's holding up pretty well. This is the board on board. So, alright, so I wanted the last section of fence so I could have the privacy in. I want to have my nice pretty little Zen garden here. Let's get busy on the gate, okay? I know that's what everyone wants to see. How do we build the gate? Okay, first come up with a design.